Hey, hello. So welcome to another presentation of the variation. So the last time we discussed about the tonic variation, today we're going to discuss about the inverse variation. So it's the definition of the inverse variation. So when we say inverse variation, y varies inversely as x. So immediately as x increases, y decreases. As x decreases, y increases. So the equation of the inverse, so yung k is you will just going to multiply yung value ng x and y, or y is equal to k, a constant, over x. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to the graph of an inverse proportion. So ito yung ibig sabihin ng inverse proportion of graph. So as x increases, so yung pataas yung value ng x, uh, so y decreases. Okay, so if you will going to observe yung so this one. So yung pababa na graph of the of this graph of this arrow. So what you will go to observe yung value ng y also decrease. So pag pataas naman yung value, x increase, yung value ng y decreases. Okay? So that's the inverse proportion, inverse equation. Okay, so that's okay. So real life application of inverse. So examples. So as the number of trees decreases, air population increases. So di ba mas more cutting of trees, more increase of air population. Okay, so another example of the real life application of the inverse, as the speed of a car increases, the length of travel time decreases. So, ibig sabihin nun, di ba, pag mas mabilis ka, of course, yung travel time mo, mas mabilis ka dumating doon sa paroonan mo. Okay? So, we proceed. So, expressing inverse as words. So, y varies inversely as x. So, this will be the equation for that. Or y is inversely proportional to x. So, this one. So, ito rin yung ibig sabihin of this expression. Okay? So, proceed. So, let's proceed to the example of the inverse variation. So, example number one. So this time is we will going to create the mathematical equation for this example. Example number one is at constant temperature, the volume V of a gas varies inversely to the pressure. So how do we create the equation sa base? So using the inverse is we will just going to write the V uh, vary volume of a gas varies. So we will just going to write equals. So varies inverse to pressure. Okay, so this will be the equation for this one. So this one is the pressure. So inverse. So you will just going to write the K as the constant. So this is the equation for this one. So example number two, the number of hours required to do a certain job varies inverse to the number of men and working. So how do we create the expression for this one? So time t is equal to uh, inverse to the number of men and working. Okay, so ganun lang din. So just going to write k over n. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you get the Example, you got to. Okay, so we should do number three. Okay. So for the number three, find the constant of variation and equation of the following relation. So in example number three, yung hinahanap natin is the constant of variation, yung K. Okay, yung hinahanap. Then aside from the K is hinahanap pa natin is the equation. So how do we determine for the K? So we will going to use the formula of K is equal to X, Y. So this time is we will going to test itong mga nasa table na to. So kasi we will going to determine the value of K. So K, so ito muna. So K is equal to 1 times 2. So what's the answer? 2. So it's one our example. Okay, so K is equal to 2 times 1. Okay, so the constant is also 2. Okay, so another table. So 3. So the value of X is 3 times 2 third. 2 third. Okay, so we multiply yung 2 and 3. So that will be 6 times 6 over 3. 3 times 2 will give us 6. So, okay, so 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Okay, so the last part. So K is equal to 4 times 1 up. Okay, so then multiply natin yung 4 times 1 will give us 4 over 2. So 4 over 2 will give us 2. So what's the constant? So the value of K, so based from the solution is 2. Okay, so ano yung equation? So the equation for this one is we will going to use the formula uh, of the inverse equation. So what's the formula for the inverse version? Y is equal to K over X. Okay, so Y is equal to 2 over X. So this will be our equation. Will be our equation. Okay, so yung constant will be so, okay. So we'll proceed to the another example. So this will be our last example for the first relation. So okay, so example number 4, if y varies in inverse as x and y is equal to 5 when x is equal to 10, find y when x is equal to 2. Okay, so we will going to uh, okay, we will going to use the formula of the y is equal to x over k over x. Okay, so sorry. So what is the value? So isulat mo natin lahat ng given. So y is equal to 5. Ito. Then x is equal to 10. Okay, so ilalagay na natin yung mga values. Okay? So we're just going to plug in the values. So ano yung value ng ito? So this will be ry. Okay, so 5 is equal to k over 10. Okay, so what is the value of k? So over 1, so cross multiple lang natin. So that will be k is equal to 50. Okay, our k is 50. Okay, so we proceed to the find y when x is equal to 2. Okay, so how do we solve this one? Okay, so ilalagay muna natin dito. So K is equal to 50. Okay, so gamitin ulit natin yung formula. So Y is equal to K over X. Okay, so ano pa yung mga given? So X is equal to 2. Okay. So, ilalagay lang natin yung mga values. Okay, so ano yung value ng K? Okay, 50. Okay, what's the value of X? Is 2. Okay, so what is the Y value? So the Y value is equal to 25. Okay, so that will be the final answer. Okay, so for your activity is solve this one. Okay, 1 to 5. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, thank you.